Welcome everybody to the Website Intelligence Analyzer Apify app that we built. All you have to do is put a URL or multiple URLs and you will be able to receive website security and server information about your website or URLs. All you have to do is go to apify.com, register an account, and type in the App Store Website Intelligence Analyzer and click on Try for free. All you have to do is go to the Input tab and specify the URLs that you want to crawl. For example, I have these two URLs, but I can add more right here one by one. Or if I have a lot in bulk, I like to do the bulk edit, and I can specify row by row, line by line, the domain or the URL that I want to scan. Once I did it, I'm going to click on Start, and depending on how many you have, it'll run between a few seconds to a few minutes. Now that it has completed, you can see the succeeded message and you can scroll down. The Overview tab is just a basic information about the URLs you scanned. All of the data will be in the All Fields tab, so you can look at all the details right here. First of all, you can see all of the checks completed. The checks vary from server, headers, SEO, DNS records, firewalls, and many, many more. Check out the README for the full detail of everything. To give you a few examples, you can see the cookies that are used on the website, you can see the DNS records, you can see the DNS server that was used, and you can see many more information. For example, you can see the firewall that was used, if there is a firewall or not. You can see linked pages, you can see additional server records, open ports, and other scans with other websites, for example, malware scans. In addition to viewing all the data in the UI on the page you can see, you can also export it to any format you would like, for example, JSON or CSV. CSV can be used in Excel or Google Sheets. And many of you also use APIs to integrate. All you have to do is click on the API button and you'll be able to easily integrate with your own system, or you can use automation services such as make.com or N8N or any others. If you have any questions, suggestions, let us know, and we'll be upgrading this app over time. Much appreciated. Check it out.